Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding Easily. My name is Devendra Yadav. We'll discuss the post-order traversal with the help of one stack. In my previous video, I have discussed iterative post-order traversal with the help of two stack. If you haven't watched that video, please check out that video first. Click on the I button, you will get the link. Now we'll talk about the same approach with the help of one stack. Can we do it or not? Yes, we can do it. So how to do it? Let me quickly explain you. 1 second. All right. So what we have here, you need to follow just 3 steps. Okay, 2 steps you need to follow. What is the first step? Once you are traversing the tree from top to bottom, every time when you are inserting the stack, okay, whenever you are inserting the node into the stack, you need to insert node 2 times. All right, that is the first thing. So insert every node into the stack 2 times. That is the first thing you need to keep in mind. Second thing is, whenever you will pop the element from the stack, there are 2 possibilities. One, if the popped element is same as the top of the stack, you need to update the root as the root.write. If popped element is not same as the top of the stack, just print the data, just print the root.data and update the root as null. Simple 2 steps you need to keep in mind. Okay, let me just explain you with the help of example. Do not worry, you will understand it. So here I have one tree. Okay, now in this tree, what we will do, first of all, okay, whenever you are at the node number 1, okay, you will insert the node number 1 into the stack 2 times, right? That is only what I. So every node you need to insert 2 times. So let me insert 1 and one more 1. All right, your stack has 2 elements, 1 and 1. Now what you will do, we will go towards left side. So you will come to node number 2. Again, you need to insert 2 into the stack 2 times. So your stack will have 2. Okay. Now you will go left of 2, which is nothing but 4. And here what you can do, you can say you will again insert, let's say 4 2 times. But here we can optimize it by saying if your node has both the nodes are left and right are null, just print it. Okay, you can optimize it if you want. But here what we will do, we will just insert the 4 also into the stack 2 times. All right, so we have inserted 4 into the stack 2 times. Now left, you will update the left. Now left of 4 is nothing but null, right? So which is null. What you will do, you will pop the element from this stack now. So first of all, you will pop the element 4. So let me just write down the popped element is 4. Now you need to apply this condition. Okay, if the popped element is same as the stack top element, okay, we will just update the root with the root.write. So here the root will also be popped element. Okay, so update the root as the popped element. Now apply the condition. If popped element is same as the top of the stack, yes, it is same as the. So 4 and 4 both are same. You will update the root as root.write. So you will update the root as root.write, which is nothing but null again, right? So your root is nothing but the null again. All right, we got the null. Now what you will do, tell me. Since we got the root null again you will pop the element from this stack. So this time we will pop the 4 from this stack. So popped element is nothing but 4 now. Root will also be 4. Okay. Now you will compare the condition. If popped element is same as the top of the stack, which is 2, no, it is not same. Okay. What you will do now? Let us check this step. So here we can see you will print the root and then you will update the root as null. All right. So here what you will print, this is the first node which you will print. I will mark the printed as the round circle. This we have printed and root is null now. Okay, let me mark the null as cross. And now again you will pop the element from this stack. You will pop the 2. Okay, so root will be 2 now. Since you will see 2 and top of this stack is also same, you will just, what you will do? Tell me. You will just follow this step, which is nothing but just update the root with the root.right. So here 2.right is 5. Now your root became 5. All right. So again, you will insert 5 into the stack 2 times. So let me do that. Okay, your stack has 5 2 times. Now you will go towards left side of 5, which is nothing but null. So your root became null now, right? Now what you will do, again, once root is null, you will pop the element from this stack. So you will pop the 5 from this stack, root will be 5 and popped element will also be 5, right? Since you will compare 5 is same as the top of this stack, so you will update the root as root.right. So 5 right is nothing but null, all right? So your root will have null again. Your root will have null again and popped element is nothing. Now your root is null. Now what you will do? You will pop the element from a stack again. So you will pop 5 again. So you will have 5, both are 5 now, okay? Now since 5 is not same as the top of this stack, which is 2, it is not same, right? You will print the 5, okay? We will print the 5 now. And after printing 5, you will mark the root as null, okay? Your root will be null now. All right, once it is null, you will pop the element from this stack, which is 2 now. So popped element is also 2 and your root is also 2. So let me just delete the 2 from this stack. Now you will compare 2 with the top of this stack, which is nothing but 1. So they are not same. Yes, they are not same. You will print the data and you will update the root as null again. All right. So root is null now. You will pop the element from a stack again. Now you will pop the 1. So once you will pop the 1 from this stack, your popped element will be 1, root is also 1. So you can see here till now we have printed 4, 5 and 2. Okay, so this particular part is done, right? So now we will pop the element 1, and since 1 is same as the top of this stack, right? They are same. You will update the root as root.right. So your root will be 3 now. Okay, now same whatever things we have done, so same logic will be applied for these also, this subtree also. And here what we will get, we'll get 6, 7, then 3. In the last we'll just get 1. So you can see this is the way. So with the help of one stack we can solve that problem. Now if still okay, I will explain you the code. Okay, do not worry about the logic. So I will explain it code. I have written the code here just to save your time. So what we are doing, okay, we have one stack. We will keep running the loop. Okay, if your root is not null, you will insert the data into the stack 2 times. Okay, then update the root with the root.left. We are updating, right? Now here root is nothing but temp node. So you will update the temp with the temp.left. If let's say your temp became null, what you need to do, you need to pop the element from this stack. But before that, you need to check, does your stack has something or not? So if let's say your stack became empty, it means all the nodes are traversed already. So you just need to stop and you need to come out of the loop. Okay, so we will break from here. If let's say we have the data into the stack, it means you need to pop the element from the stack. Now, this is the popped element. You need to apply 2 conditions. If stack top is same as the root, it's same as the popped element? If yes, then you need to update the root as root.right. Okay, else you just need to print the data and update the temp with the null. All right. So this method I am calling from here. You can see we are calling from here. Okay, let me change the name to the iterative postorder. Okay, once we will run it, you can see we got the data as 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 3, and 1. All right. So this is how we can get the answer with the help of one stack. So you can take a screenshot of this page. Let me just show you the code here. So I will show you the code. Do not worry about that. So this is the code which I have. Sorry, my cursor had some issue. Okay, just take this screenshot and then you can spend some time. If still something is not clear, okay, just repeat the video again, just watch the video again. I'm sure you will be able to understand it. Just take the pen and paper and just start writing whatever things we are doing here. Okay, you will be able to understand everything. It is very simple. All right, so I hope you like my content. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe everyone, and thanks a lot. Bye everyone.